Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Thank you for tuning back to my new episode of Upland. From my last episode I was talking about how to buy a property, and honestly right after that episode, few days later, I was able to buy a property. I would like to share with you that it was in this city. Let me get closer to the picture. Alright, I bought my first property. It will take me about 30 days to build it. It's in the process. Um, Honestly, nobody answered on my question how to build it. I was just trying again, and I was able to do that. In that block, as you can see, there is another person. Now, what is Upland? I'm sure many of you know what is this game about. This game is about a virtual real estate. You basically buying a asset, which is each one of them is a asset. I mean, the blue one you cannot buy them because somebody bought them and not selling them. The green one is the one for sale. You can either buy them by clicking the bottom, either offer, click offer, and write either you buy by UPX. UPX is the currency of the game. I already spoke about all of this, but it's just a little bit tune up for new people. And property, you can offer them your property to change. You see, one of them it's building, the other one it's sell. You can choose one of your property and exchange, and then the seller will be able to either accept it, either deny it. Anyway, I know one of you actually follow my link and open an account, and I would like to thank you. I'm not sure who was it, but now I know for sure what I'm getting from the game. Any one of you that sign in using my link, I'm getting 25,000 UPX, which is about $25. For this game it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. And once again, I would like to thank that person that actually signed with my link. Much appreciate that. What else I can talk about? It is the fact that I have assets in each city now. So I can travel from one place to another place. In Chicago, actually many of the assets are very cheap, and you can get a lot out of them. For instance, okay, so this one I bought for $49.99, which is basically 5,000, which is basically $5. I'm getting a month 47, which is not bad at all. If I'm collecting this collection, I'll get 64. If I'm gonna do the new, I'll get the 52, which is not bad at all. Honestly, for $5, because I had assets that I bought for $5, even $10, and I got only like 16 a month, which is nothing basically. Well, another example. Well, this is not the best, but it's better than nothing. You see, he sells that for $57.50. You get only 38, and if you finish a collection, you can get up to 48.77. Not too bad. I'll show you my other assets that I bought here. Here another one. I bought it for 10. Woo! No, I selling that for 10. And I already getting 50, basically 60 UPX a month, because I finished this collection. Another one I will show you. I think I have like 5 of them here. Yeah, here we go. Getting closer to the picture. I bought this one for basically 4,900, which is, if you transfer to dollars, it's $4.90. I'm getting 64. Not too bad, because I finished the collection. It's actually not only that's not too bad, it's actually fucking amazing. I'm sorry for my language. Okay, another one. I bought it for 49. I'm getting 59. If I finish a collection, I'll get 66. Not too bad. And the last one in Chicago, I bought it for 5. I'm getting 64 because I finished the collection. And obviously you can use this one. This one will show you the actual map of actual real estate in the actual world, in the world that you and I are living in. You can basically look around what you can see. You can just like regular Google Maps, as you can see over here on the bottom. You can zoom in, you zoom out. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so let's go back, and I would like to show you one of the assets I bought yesterday, actually. If I'm not mistaken, it was here. Maybe it wasn't here. No, actually it was here. Okay. Here, I mean, sometimes when you spending a little bit more money, you get much more return for your money. So for example, I bought this one for basically 2200. Let's round it up, and it's basically $22, and I'm getting 310 UPX every month because I finish a collection. Amazing. Why I'm saying that? Because I'll show you an asset that I bought over a month ago. Remember, I bought this one for 22 and I'm getting 310. I bought in Brooklyn, New York. I bought a asset for $100. I actually spent $100, not UPX, no nothing. $100. This this asset over here, I'm selling that right now. I bought that for $100 and it brings me only 100 UPX a month. I mean, it's a good location, but honestly I'd rather to divide this 100 by 5 and buy each one. I mean, honestly, if I'll be a little bit smarter in the game, I could earn at least like 500 UPX for the same amount of money. I am selling that right now for $1, actually, actual dollar. I mean, you can buy it with $1, or you can send me an offer and I'll see what in. I don't know if any one of you ever been in that this part of Brooklyn, but this part of Brooklyn in New York, it is the real estate. Actually, it's one of the most expensive, especially this piece over here. In the game, I bought this piece, and this piece, I mean, in the real life, woof, it's an arm and a leg. Not exaggerate, arm and a leg. You have a Citibank down there. But it was, I just show you this for example. I actually bought it, I wanna show you, I bought it for $100. See, 100,000. I mean, showing you 100,000. If you equivalent to $1, it's actually $100. But I am selling that right now for US dollar, 275. Whoever wants to buy, it's your option. In a few years from now, I believe that this asset will be worth much more. You see, for example, I'm entering 279. The game takes the rest, and I'm gonna get only 275. Which is actually about $14. Ooh, the game, whoever invented the game, making a lot of money. But I believe in the game in the long run. I believe that it's possible to make here money in the long run. For me, it's like just like if I keeping the money in the bank. In nowadays, we're getting less than 0.5%. In this game, I actually within a year I can get over 14%. Which is not too bad, and I believe that this game will get better within the years. More people will buy that. It's pretty much new for the mainstream. Not many people playing in that game. You see, I'm selling that. Okay, for example, I think I bought it for 7,000. I bought it for 9,000, and I'm getting only 66. The other asset I bought for 21, and I'm getting 300. So that you understand how powerful this game. So I am actually gonna try to sell it for $1. Okay, I'm selling that for 15. The game takes 75 cents. You think it's not a lot, but it's actually a lot. Sell. You see, 3 people step on my asset over here. Each time they step on my asset, I'm getting additional 15 UPX additional to this. And if I'm gonna finish the collection, I'll get, instead of 66, I'll get 82. I mean, this game, you really do need to spend money. Some people will call it waste money. You can call it whatever you want. It depends how you look at that. I'm looking at that as a investment in the end of the day. once again, as everybody say that in on YouTube, I am not financial advisor. I'm actually nowhere close to banking like money. I'm just trying to enjoy the life while I'm playing, you know. So don't start playing just because I said that. Do your own homework. And you see this asset, I actually sold it to him, and now he's selling that for 50,000 UPX. I don't know if you're ever gonna sell it, because honestly you're getting only 20 UPX back in a month, which is almost nothing. I'm selling mine for well, this one I'm not selling. This one, you see, this one I'm selling for 30,000. Obviously whoever gonna buy it will get only 20 UPX. And I think I'm selling some others. You see, 30,000, you're getting a little bit more. And this one I'm not selling. Oh, I do. 14 bucks. Whoever have 14 bucks, you can buy it right here, right now. That's about it. I'm very excited that we're able to buy a asset, and not an asset, actually a new building. I'm extremely excited about that. I thought it will take me much longer, and here we are. And I have a new. Well, it's not here. Collection. I think it's under properties. Sent an offer, UPX. Didn't accept that yet. Okay, so I think maybe under messages. No. Oh, it's under my profile. Okay, assets. Neither one. I saw it today. Hold on a second. I'm gonna find it right here, right now. Oh, here we go. Assets. You see this one under construction. And if I'll click it, it bring me right to my asset. I know after I'll build the building, I'll be able to sell it for much more. For some reason, it's showing here only 1100, but I did not buy that for 1100 UPX. I actually exchanged that, and I'm not quite sure if it was my original asset was for 1100, but I think it was closer to 2000. I pretty much believe that was a glitch, but either or, it was very cheap. So for hypothetically, I bought it for 2500 UPX, which is $2.50, and I'm getting 16, basically almost 17 UPX a month. Not too bad. And after I'm gonna build this building, I mean this house here, I'll get much more. So that's about it today. Once again, thank you very much whoever signed under my link. I'll really appreciate that. Special big thank you for the person that already signed under my link. You literally made my day, and I were able to buy another asset, the one that for 2100. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next episode. If you have any question, please drop a comment, smash the like, so the eBay I'm sorry, YouTube algorithm will be able to find my videos. If you have any question, please ask it. I'll try my best to answer it. I'm not 100% know yet how this game works, because I'm doing other things. But if you have any question, please just comment, and I'll find a way to answer it. Thank you very much. And by the way, I'm sure people that already playing in the game, they know that this is the amount that you equivalent out of all your assets. You see, this person stop here, I got 15 extra. This person stop here, I got 15 extra, and so on and so on. My Manhattan assets, I'm getting the most, obviously, because they're most expensive. I'm gonna collect them. You see, this number will change in a minute. Voila, almost 8,000. It's not too bad. Every day you're getting something. I mean, once again, just keep in mind, in order to play and buy more assets, you obviously would need to use your fiat, which is the actual money. Thank you very much again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day, and be safe.